In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a free Google Sheets invoice template. It's a handy tool for business owners or anyone needing an easy way to manage billing. With just a few clicks, you can have a professional invoice ready to go, all at zero cost. Let's dive in and get you started on creating your invoice. First things first, open up your Google Sheets. You'll want to navigate to the top menu. Here, look for the File option and give it a click. This opens up a drop-down menu full of choices. From this list, you'll select New. Now, this isn't just any new file. We're going to be a bit more specific because what we're about to open is from the From Template gallery. This is where Google Sheets becomes incredibly powerful, with templates catering to different needs. Once you're in the template gallery, take a moment to look around if you like. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on the Invoice option. Click on that, and just like magic, you'll have your own copy of Google's Invoice template open and ready for editing. Now let's break it down a bit. The first thing you'll want to do is personalize your invoice. Start by changing the company name, address, and contact information at the top. This makes sure your client knows exactly who the invoice is coming from. Accuracy here is key, so double check for any errors, especially in the contact information. It's crucial your clients can reach you if they have any questions. Once you've customized your company information, move on to the invoice number and dates. It's essential to keep your invoices organized. Each invoice should carry a unique number, which helps in tracking payments and references avoid confusion. Updating the dates also ensures the invoice reflects the correct billing period or service completion. And now, for the core of the invoice, the services or products being billed. You'll see placeholders for names, items, quantities, and unit prices. Adjust these to fit what your client has ordered or what service you've provided. Be thorough here, ensuring everything is clearly labeled and accurately priced. One of the beautiful things about this template is its built-in formulas. Google has pre-included simple formulas that take care of calculating totals automatically. So when you enter the unit prices and quantities, the subtotal and total prices will populate automatically. This feature saves you time and reduces the risk of manual calculation errors. And there you have it. With these steps, your invoice is ready to be sent, providing a professional and organized appearance to your clients. If you need to tweak anything, you can always come back and make edits. Feel free to explore more features if you like, as Google Sheets offers a lot of flexibility to customize this template further to fit your business needs. So now you're equipped with the knowledge to efficiently create invoices using Google Sheets, all for free. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.